Google punches back with real-time voice to battle ChatGPT and Perplexity. Salesforce hikes AI prices 6% despite its own research showing agents fail basic tasks. And Europeans using ultra-black Vantablack satellite in 2026 to fight growing light pollution crisis. Welcome to Hashtag Trending. I'm your host, Dr. Hemamurthy, sitting in for Jim Love. The AI voice assistant race just got more crowded. Google has launched Search Live, a new feature that lets users have flowing voice conversations with its AI mode search function, marking the tech giant's latest move to compete with OpenAI's ChatGPT voice and Perplexity's conversational search. So here's what's going on. Google is rolling out the ability to tap a new live icon in the Google app, ask questions out loud, and receive AI-generated audio responses. Users can then continue the conversation naturally, asking follow-up questions without starting over, just like talking to a human assistant. The timing of this is significant. This launch comes just weeks after Google rolled out AI mode nationwide in May, positioning it as the company's answer to popular services disrupting traditional search. But while text-based AI search was the first battleground, voice represents the next frontier, where tech giants are fighting for user attention. Google's approach differs from competitors in a crucial way. Search Live works in the background, meaning users can continue conversations while using other apps. This feature also provides live links on screen for deeper exploration and offers transcript options to switch between voice and text seamlessly. Google's Director of Product Management for Search, Lisa Ma, said in a company's blog post, "Behind the scenes, Search Live in AI mode uses a custom version of Gemini with advanced voice capabilities. Our custom model is built on Search's best-in-class quality and information systems, so you still get reliable, helpful responses, no matter where or how you're asking your question." The blog post stated the following example of how this can be used. Suppose you ask, "What are some tips for preventing a linen dress from wrinkling in a suitcase while you're packing?" Then following up with, "What should I do if it still wrinkles?" without losing the context thread. However, this creates a three-way battle for voice AI dominance. OpenAI's ChatGPT voice has gained popularity for its natural conversation flow, while Perplexity AI has carved out a niche with its research-focused approach. Google's advantage lies in its massive search infrastructure and real-time web access. This competition is about to get more intense. Google plans to add camera integration in coming months, allowing users to ask questions about what their phone's camera sees in real time. Capabilities previewed at Google I/O in May. For businesses and developers, this signals a shift toward multimodal AI interfaces where voice, text, and visual inputs blend seamlessly. The winner of this race won't just capture search queries, they'll reshape how people access information entirely. Companies investing billions in AI infrastructure were always going to demand returns on their investments. But Salesforce's latest 6% price increase raises a troubling question. Are businesses being asked to pay more for technology that isn't ready for prime time? The CRM giant announced Tuesday that it will be raising prices by an average of 6% for enterprise and unlimited editions of Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Field Service effective August 1st. The company is also introducing new Agentforce AI packages starting at $125 per user per month, with premium versions reaching $550 monthly. Salesforce justifies the increases by claiming significant value added through new advanced AI capabilities. But here's the problem. The company's own research suggests these AI agents aren't delivering promised results. Just one day before the pricing announcement, Salesforce researchers published findings showing that LLM-based AI agents achieve only a 58% success rate on single-step CRM tasks. That performance drops to just 35% when tasks require multiple steps. Even more concerning, the study found agents demonstrate low confidentiality awareness when handling sensitive customer information. The research team concluded these findings suggest a significant gap between current LLM capabilities and the multifaceted demands of real world enterprise scenarios. This disconnect highlights the broader challenge facing AI pricing across the industry. Bill Patterson, Salesforce Executive VP for CRM applications, said that AI vendors are still hammering out the right pricing model, and any biz that thinks they have it all figured out is kidding themselves. For procurement and IT managers, this creates a perfect storm of confusion. Companies are being pressured to adopt AI solutions with unclear value propositions, inconsistent pricing models, and according to Salesforce's own data, significant reliability issues. There's a lot riding on this. Salesforce co-founder and CEO Mark Benioff told investors last year that AI agents represented a very high margin opportunity for the company. Meanwhile, governments are banking on similar technologies. The UK expects to save £13.8 billion by 2029 through AI-driven efficiency programs. But the reality of the situation comes out of this research. When AI agents can only complete basic CRM tasks correctly about half the time, are businesses paying premium prices for incomplete solutions? The bottom line is that companies need proven results before paying premium prices. With AI pricing models still evolving and performance questions unresolved, organizations should demand clear ROI metrics and implementation guarantees before committing to expensive AI upgrades. There is absolutely no doubt that AI is the wave of the future and will eventually outperform humans in many critical areas. But the real question is, when will that happen? And how much do companies want to pay for what might be experimental technology? Astronomers worldwide are facing a growing crisis that's threatening their ability to study the cosmos. More than 14,900 satellites currently orbit Earth, with SpaceX's Starlink network alone accounting for over 60% of all spacecraft circling our planet. What's alarming is the following. Experts predict that this number could explode to over 100,000 active satellites within the next 50 years. This satellite boom is creating what scientists call light pollution in space. Sunlight reflecting off shiny metal satellite swarms is brightening the night sky, making it increasingly difficult for optical observatories to conduct research. Astronomers are already getting repeatedly photobombed by satellites flying overhead, and the problem is getting worse as newer spacecraft far exceed brightness limits suggested by astronomical authorities. But researchers in the UK think they found a potential solution. Make satellites that don't reflect light at all. Next year, they'll launch Jovian 1, a shoebox-sized CubeSat with one side covered in a specially formulated hull-darkening material that absorbs 99.965% of light that hits it. The coating is a modified version of Vantablack, often described as the blackest material on Earth, made from vertical carbon nanotubes that trap light waves from nearly every angle. Our latest coating technology, Vantablack 310, offers super black performance across a wide range of viewing angles while remaining robust to the challenging LEO environment, said Kieran Clifford, a senior technologist at Surrey Nanosystems, the company that created the space-grade version. He added that the goal was to ensure sustainable and equitable access to a night sky for all. The project is managed by Jupiter, a collaboration between the universities of Surrey, Portsmouth, and Southampton. By tracking the dark-coated spacecraft as it orbits Earth, researchers will determine whether the material can withstand space's harsh conditions, extreme temperature fluctuations, and cosmic radiation bombardment. However, even if this ultra-black solution works, it only addresses one piece of a very large puzzle. Satellites still emit radio pollution that could make ground-based radio astronomy effectively impossible, according to recent warnings from astronomers. The growing satellite population also increases collision risks, contributing to space junk that creates even more hazards. Additionally, when private satellites burn up in the Earth's atmosphere at the end of their short lifespans, they release metal pollution into our skies in ways scientists are still trying to understand. So, how important is this work? Without solutions like Vantablack coatings and other mitigation strategies, the very mega constellations designed to connect humanity could end up cutting us off from our view of the universe. And that's our show. But don't keep us in the dark. Let us know what you think at technewsday.com. Just use the Contact Us button on the new improved website. I'm your host, Dr. Hemamurthy. Jim will be back on Monday. Have a fantastic Friday.